Hello, I am Mani Malarvannan. In this video, we will look into how we can use data to identify next big NFT in various NFT collections that's been coming up on a regular basis. We will use this presentation to understand what are all the different data points we can collect and what are all the different types of tools we can use to identify next big trend in the NFT. So we have seen many videos in this channel. We talk about how data is playing a critical role to identify various analysis, various insights about customer behavior, user behavior. We talked about Web 2 data and Web 3 data in blockchain. So in this presentation, we'll talk specifically about how we can use the data from blockchain, whether it could be Ethereum blockchain or Solana, Binance, whatever blockchain, whatever NFT you are interested. There are various tools available for you to go and use it to identify what are all the different types of NFTs are available, how good those NFTs for short term, medium term, and long term purchase. So for everything, you need to understand the data. So the key metrics are available in the public blockchain. The challenge is to use the proper tools to retrieve the data and perform the analysis and identify which one is best for your goals. So why data matters? You can ask this question, what is the use of data? Again, in this channel, we presented many videos, the importance of data overall, and in the emerging AI technologies, generative AI, machine learning, or anything, everything data is the critical point. Anything you want to understand the past behavior, current behavior, or future behavior of customers or data, whatever you are analyzing, you need to collect data and use the data to understand how exactly you can use the data to identify what are the best possible NFTs are available in the market and how many days or how many customers are using it and how well you can able to purchase this NFT, hold it for the short term and the long term goals. See, there are many times if you are using Discord, Telegram, or Twitter X channels, there will be a post of NFT, new NFT collection is coming up. So the question is how good you can trust those. And the main point I'm trying to explain in this video is to try to understand what are all the different characteristics that NFT has, who is backing it up, and whether are they doing it for the first time or they are doing it for multiple other times. What are the previous NFTs are in the market, how well those NFTs are performing. All those data points you need to collect so that you can able to make a decision of buying the NFTs that's going to create value for you. So you could have whatever may be the reason that you will be interested in buying the NFTs. It could be a short-term gain or mid-term gain or long-term gain. The short-term gain is months. The mid-term gain is maybe a year. Long-term gain is over a period of 10 years or 15 years. So irrespective of your goal, you need to understand various data points and use it for your purchasing decisions. So the main reason you need to understand is the identify the patterns in the NFT sales. So anytime a new NFT launches, there will be a lot of buzz in the media, whatever channel, Discord or Telegram channel you are following. There will be a lot of influencers posting about this NFTs and how well the NFTs are structured, how well the market is going to go. This is the right time to purchase in. Do not believe those things. So try to understand what the NFTs are going to do for your personal benefits. So do your analysis and try to make informative decisions using various tools and technologies so that before you purchase the NFTs, you understand what you are going to get in. And then you make a decision whether you want to purchase or you are not interested anymore, because there are many times many NFTs are created, and once the market goes up, the founders dump their NFT tokens and then they move away with their money. So you will be having the NFT tokens without any values or very less value that you will have it. If you are going to sell it, nobody is there to purchase your NFT tokens, or you have to sell it for a very, very low price compared to the price that you purchased. So all those things happened in the market. So make sure that you are making an informative decision before you purchase any NFTs. So one of the main data point you need to understand is the transaction volume and liquidity. So high transaction volume indicates that there is a strong market interest. So for example, initially the NFT tokens are launched. Obviously, you are not going to get any transaction volume because they say that they are going to launch it by next week. So until that week, you are not going to get any transaction volume, but you can go about identify the founders of the NFT tokens, or which platform, which market they are selling, how well the NFT tokens are all been selling, and you identify those and try to understand how well the new NFT tokens are going to be selling it. And also you need to identify how the NFT tokenomics going to work, whether it's a fixed number of tokens they are going to have, or they are going to have a variable number of tokens. See, in my previous videos, we described the difference between the tokenomics, various tokenomic models. If you have any questions, please visit those videos, and definitely you can understand more about the tokenomics. You need to understand the tokenomics, the transaction volume, the liquidity, all those aspects of the NFTs. See, the main reason you need to understand the liquidity is if there is a large volume of tokens available, then if you are buying and selling, the token value is not going to fluctuate that much. But if you have a very less volume of tokens are available, then any purchase, any buy or sell going to drastically shift the token value. So that's the main thing. With the tokens with the high liquidity, definitely they can have a much better value over a period of time. And also, if there are high tokens available, then the overall token value may go down because there are more tokens for people to purchase, and they are attracting more users, and the value may go down. So there should be a balance. So we explained in the tokenomics, whoever the token creators, NFT token creators, they need to understand these tokenomics, and they need to have the white papers published, how they are going to balance the total number of tokens in the blockchain, whatever blockchain they are planning to create it. So you use the tools and technologies, understand it before you are making the decision. The floor price and the price trends. The floor price is the lowest price of an NFT collection. So that generally they will keep it for their founders, or initially if you want to take the risk of going and purchasing, you can go and purchase. That will be the lowest price. And also you need to understand how well the price are going to fluctuate over a period of time. So use the tools. In my previous videos, I've specified many NFT tools are available for you to use. Almost all of these tools are free. You can go and use those tools to understand and identify the floor price and the price fluctuations, transaction volume, all those data points you can identify. And also you can able to identify the historical price trends, and when the price is going to go up, when the price is going to go down, all those fluctuations you can identify using the various NFT tools. So wallet activity and holder distribution. So anytime you are getting into the NFTs, understand how many outstanding NFTs are available and how many users are having these NFTs in their wallets. You can identify those. So once you identify it, you can understand when a particular user purchased it and how long they are holding it. Did they purchase and within a day or two they sold it, or they are holding it in their wallet for more than 6 months, 1 year, 2 year time frame. So this helps you to understand whether you can able to purchase the token and hold it for a longer duration. So generally, if a person buys a token and hold it for multiple years, then definitely they believe in that token system. And also you can identify the community around that NFT token system and understand that it is a good idea to purchase those token and keep it for a longer duration of time. So all those data points like wallet activity, distribution, all those data points you should be able to identify using the various NFT tools and technologies available for you. In our company Analytic Kit, we do have Web3 analytical tools, but it's not specifically designed for NFT tokens. But if you are interested, please go and visit, and you can use the tool for free for a month. And if you like it, you can subscribe to get full-time access for the tools. So community sentiment and social signals. So once you log into any of the social platforms like X, Discord, or Telegram channels, you can read the post by other community members what they are talking about that NFTs. This again, you don't have to go through and read all the sentiments and tokens one by one that has been posted. There are tools available. Using that NFT tools, you can able to identify, ask questions and get responses, how the sentiments are over a period of time about the particular NFT token, what the people are talking about it, whether the sentiment is positive, negative, neutral, all those data points you can able to collect. So make sure that you use those tools and technologies before you purchase any of the tokens. Utility and long-term viability. Also understand how the NFTs are getting used by your community. See, there are several different types of NFTs. For example, yeah, a musician can create a NFT token system for their fan base. In that case, anytime the NFT is purchased, you could be there could be special discounts for that fans activity for the musicians concerts, or you can have a one-on-one conversation with the musician if you hold say 10, 50 NFT tokens, so that you can able to interact with the musicians in the long-term basis. So that is the one type of NFT tokens. It's a utility-based token. Or there could be NFT tokens for the gaming side. Say if you are playing a game using the NFT tokens, you can purchase some features, some products within the game, and you can use it to play and win more points or win more NFT tokens. All those are possible. You understand what is the usage of NFT tokens and how well the community is built around the NFT token, so that you can make a informed decision before purchasing the NFTs for yourself. And another important feature or data point you need to consider is rarity and scarcity of the tokens. Make sure that NFTs, whatever you are purchasing, qualifies these two characteristics. And again, it's not necessarily if there are NFTs, specific NFTs, only one of a kind, then its a rarity is high. Based on who is creating it, there could be a value. The value may go up or go down. So make sure you understand those data points and properly use the data points. Collecting the data points is one thing, and then doing the analysis to understand if it is good for you, for your goals and your values, whether you can able to purchase the tokens or you are not interested. It may not be able to add any value even for the short term or in the long term, then you shouldn't be buying that NFTs. So identifying the market cycles. All these NFTs, once they launched, it goes through a various cycles. It may go up, it may go down. So you need to understand what is the best time to purchase it. See, even many of the tokens, whenever they launch, there will be a lot of buzz, and people will be start buying it, and then the value goes up. After a month or so, suddenly the value may come down because there are many people who purchased might dump the NFTs into the market. Since there are more tokens, the price of the tokens, NFT tokens, may go down. So make sure you understand these before getting into any of these NFTs for yourself. And the historical trends, we discussed about it. Make sure if there is a NFT is 6 months old or 1 year old, make sure you understand how well the NFTs values are going up or coming down or fluctuates, how well it is fluctuating, whether it's fluctuating on a regular basis or suddenly there is a huge drop and then it went up. All those data patterns, the cycles, you understand before you make your decisions. The risk and challenges, we talked about this entire presentation. It's always a risk getting into these NFTs, and make sure you understand the founders, those who are promoting that, the marketplace where they are selling, and also make sure that they are following all the rules and regulations wherever the company is located. For example, here in US, there are stringent rules and regulations they need to follow before they can able to start selling the NFTs to the public. So make sure that whoever is starting these NFTs are following the rules and regulation, and there are international rules are there wherever they are physically located, and also they need to make sure that whether the country has given permission to sell or not. So, for example, if you are using Binance, if you are based in US, you cannot purchase any crypto using Binance because there are some legal regulations that needs to happen, and they are still working on. So, make sure you understand those before you make any decision. So best practices for NFT market participants. So again, use multiple data sources, multiple tools for you to do the analysis. If you go and read the channels or the Twitter post by the company, those who are posting, or the influencer, those who are posting, obviously you are going to get a positive feedback from the company, those who are promoting it. So you read those informations and understand. You also go to various NFT tools, analytical tools, use those tools to understand and identify if it is a good fit for you or not before you purchasing the NFT tokens. So focus on the project's long-term goal, the short-term goal, what the tokenomics, all those data points before you make any decisions. And then in the conclusions, it's pretty data driven approach you need to do before you make any purchase of the NFTs. So use the tools and technologies that are available for you to understand various aspects of the NFTs, collect the data points, go through that, and then make a decision whether this NFT is going to add value or not. And also talk to your friends and family if they have experience. They will tell you whether it's a good approach or not a good approach to purchase that NFTs, whatever you are interested in. And also make sure that this presentation is only for educational purpose. Please don't take this as a financial advice or anything like that, because I'm just posting these videos to educate my audiences, because there are many requests came in specifically asking about the NFT tools, and I just posted this video. So please use your own judgment and use your contact your financial analyst before you making any financial decisions in your life. It's not specifically for NFTs, for anything. So that's all I want to discuss in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please let us know. There are various videos I posted that talks about various NFT tools. And as I said earlier, we do have a Web3 analytical platform. You can use those. It's not specifically designed for NFTs, but for any token or any contract that are deployed in Ethereum blockchain, you can able to analyze, you can able to create a page, and you can able to get the data from Ethereum blockchain and perform various analysis. If you have any questions or concerns, please let us know, and please subscribe to this channel and help us to grow this channel. Thank you. Bye.